What's up out there? So here I am at my son's house, my oldest son's house. And just like many other members of my family, we're into the aquarium hobby. And he has a few Flowerhorns in here. Now, as you know, or maybe you have seen from my other videos, I keep mainly pure species. But nevertheless, a nice fish is a nice fish. I'm a little bit older. My kids are obviously younger, and they like what they like. So here we got what he likes. And my motto is, a nice fish is a nice fish. And they are hungry. But anyway, just a quick view, quick look. Take care.